Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to your science online class. This is your Science Book 3. I hope that all of my students are very good and intelligent and you are studying well at home and completing your tasks that I am giving you daily. Okay. Today, let's start our class. Today, we are going to start chapter number 3. The name of this chapter is Animal World. Animal World. What do you understand from the word animal world? Animal world means that the world full of animals. It means that we will learn about many animals and about their food and feedings and the different groups of animals in this chapter. Okay, open up page number 25. Let's start this chapter. The first topic is food and feeding. We will discuss about the food and feeding about the animals. Okay, food gives energy. How can we get energy? Whether they are human beings or animals, we all get energy from food. Different animals eat the different types of food to get the energy for hunting. The plants prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food. We take our food from the plants and different animals. Animals cannot prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food while the animals cannot prepare their own food. They eat the plants or other animals that has been classified into the different groups. Now we will discuss about the different groups of animals. The first group is herbivores. The animals eat the plant only. Those animals that eat the plant only are called the herbivores. Yes, they are called the herbivores. These include the camels, cow. These include the cow, camel, deer, giraffe, goat, horse, and elephant. They eat the grass, leaves, and different types of plants. Means that the herbivores eat only the plants. Okay, you can see these animals in the picture: elephant, giraffe, cow, horse, and deer. These all are the herbivores animals. They eat the grass only. They eat the plants only. Okay, many herbivores have the dull, flat teeth. These teeth are excellent for the chewing and breaking down the tough plants material. Their teeth are very strong. Buffaloes and cows swallow the food without chewing it, and they bring the food back from the stomach to their mouth to chew it properly. This is called the mastication. It means that the buffaloes and the cows do not have the teeth. How did they swallow food without chewing it? They bring the food first, they eat the food, and then from the stomach they have such a system in their body that they bring the food from the stomach back to their mouth and then chew it properly, and this process is called the mastication. Okay, the second group of animals are the carnivores, the animals that eat the flesh of other animals. First, the animals that eat the it means that the animals that eat the other animal as their food are called the carnivores. They are called the flesh eating animals. They kill the other animals and insects and eat them. Lizard, tiger, crocodile, and wolf are the carnivores. Open up page number 26. You can see in the picture that the wolf, alligator, and tigers are the different types of carnivores. The carnivores mammals, on the other hand, usually have the long, sharp teeth, and they have the you can see that tigers have long teeth, long and very sharp teeth. Alligators have the sharp teeth, and wolf also as well has the sharp teeth to eat the other animals for hunting. Okay, they have the sharp pointed teeth at the front of the jaw. Now the third group of animals is the omnivores. Some animals eat both the plants and animals. We have already read that the animals that eat the plants only are the herbivores, that eat the animals only are the carnivores, while those animals that eat the plant and animal both are called the omnivores. Human beings are omnivores. Why? Because we eat the plants and animals both. Animals in the form of we cook it and then we eat it, the flesh of the as the food. We eat the food from the plants and animals both. We get the vegetables, fruit, and pulses. We get these things from the plants and animals. That's why the human beings are called the omnivores. Okay, we get the milk, meat, and eggs from the animals. We get the milk, eat these things we get from the animals. That's why we are called the omnivores. Other examples of the omnivores include the bear, cow, and monkey. You can see in the picture that the bear, crow, and the monkey are these are all the omnivores animals. Omnivores have the combination of both the pointed and the flat teeth to match their varied diet. We can eat the steak and salad because our front teeth allow us to tear the meat, and our back teeth can chew the plant's material. The bears can eat the berries or meat from a deer's dead body because their front teeth are very sharp, while their back teeth allow them to chew the plants. Their front teeth allow them to chew the dead body of the different dead animals, and while their front teeth help them to chew the plants. Some animals like the squirrels have the sharp front teeth, and they use those teeth to break open to break the open to break open the fruits, nuts and seeds, and these animals bite the food persistently. Okay, class? I hope that you understand these three groups. Some animals, like the snakes, do not have the teeth. You can see in the picture that the snake and frog do not have the teeth. These animals swallow the food without chewing it. Some big snakes, like anaconda and python, can swallow the large animals like the goat and deer without chewing it. Okay, the frogs and lizard have the strictly long, sticky tongue to capture and swallow the food. I hope that class you understand the groups of and variety of animals, and have you know that which animals have the sharp teeth, which animals have the flat teeth, what are the functions of these teeth in each animals, and some animals like the snake and frog do not have the teeth. I hope that you understand these all groups, the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. You have to read it well at home and understand this topic as well. Okay class, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.